If you wish to get rid of the date from the home screen on Google Pixel 10 Pro, then unfortunately by default it is not possible to completely remove it. Unfortunately, this widget cannot be removed. We are stuck with it if you want to keep the default Pixel launcher. So you can actually get a custom launcher. You can download a launcher from a Play Store in order to simply get rid of the at a glance widget over here, which contains the date. So it's up to you if you prefer to have the default Pixel launcher or if you want to get a new launcher which slightly changes the style and look of the home screen and app drawer, but you can actually get rid of the date with that custom launcher. So if you decide to try it out, you can open the Play Store and then we can search for a launcher. There are many different launchers that you can try. Most of them are free, some of them contain ads, some of them don't, and they are quite unique, at least in some cases. But if you're looking for something that is the closest to the default Pixel launcher that we have on our phone, then I guess the Microsoft launcher will be a pretty decent choice. So I'm gonna set it up. I'm gonna show you how to set it up properly, and feel free to try it, or feel free to try any other launcher if you don't like this one for some reason. So let's first get started over here. We don't have to grant access to location, but we can grant access to everything else. Over here, let's tap go to settings in order to select Microsoft Launcher, and we need to allow access to manage all files. Then over here, we can choose if we want to stick with the current wallpaper, or if you want to choose a daily wallpaper from Bing, and we're gonna stay with the current one, and we can also skip this sign-in page like this. We don't have to sign into a Microsoft account if you don't want to. And there we go, we are all set, so let's press let's go. There we go. Over here we can press set as default, so we can set the Microsoft launcher as the default one so that you won't be able to go back to the default launcher. You can stay with it all the time. And there we go. So as you can see, we still have a date over here with the time this time, but this widget can actually be easily removed. Just press and hold your finger on the widget in order to find the remove button, and now it is gone. And as you can see, the app drawer and the home screen looks slightly different, but as a result, with this custom launcher, we can actually customize it slightly more than with the default Pixel launcher. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.